guys, welcome back to my channel. It's very loud. I don't think they can hear me. Oh my goodness gracious. But I am going to Ulta right now to get some quick things as usual, and then I want to go to Sephora too, but I don't think we're gonna have time because we have some other things to do. So we're gonna have to come back to the house. Why am I talking so fast? It's like I'm on a timer. I have to finish my speech before it runs out. But anyway. Anyway. I think I'm loving the makeup. I use a different technique for my blush. And it looks different, I think. I like it. And gorgeous girl loves to use extra blush. Gorgeous girls also love to look like Barbie. Gorgeous girls love hot pink blush. I can't speak today. I said hot pink blush. So yeah, let's get started with today. Ulta run is over. Right now we're going home. We're gonna install new light in the house, in our room. Very excited about it, guys. I'll show you all the light. I don't feel like giving a haul of the room. I'm not comfortable. So we're going back. I'm really hungry. We have food home, and then yeah, we're gonna continue the day. Hey guys, welcome back. So right now we're going for boba. The room is tea for a table, and I have a clown sitting in my room without my permission. But it's okay. When we're not in the house, we leave it for the poor. Okay, so pre for pretty.
And why'd you say pre for pretty? Like
P for princess. G for giving. S for stupid. D for dumb, because I can't speak today. Every time I'm holding my camera, I'm literally sluttery.
what the heck are you even saying?
Hey guys. Oh, that's it. Hey guys. Wait, are we taking this car? We're going outside. This light is very much lighting. Oh, I guess we're taking the Mercedes. I haven't been using my flash since I bought the camera because I thought it's too bright. But then I figured at night it's nice to have this flash because now y'all can see my face. But we are going to get boba right now. We're back in the town. I think I'm... Hey guys! For the freaking 20th time, but we are out going to get boba. Cops coming very soon, but ow, we are going out to get boba, and then we're gonna go out, see fireworks if there is any, and then just drive around, come back, and then call it a night. So let's get started. Party time. My dog, guys, we just got a boba, 2 bobas for us, and he got something. We do not know how to eat it. We have to watch the instructions. See, they're showing how to eat, and then that's what we're gonna have to unwrap it.
I think I got it.
You got it? Do it. Guys, we're gonna pop our boba now together. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. I did not do it right, but it's okay. Cheers. Cheers. Hey guys, so we're by the Capitol building right now. I'm gonna zoom in. This is so pretty. Like literally, it is so pretty. It looks 10 times better in person over like this. And it's the Pennsylvania. The moon is hella big and it's so bright outside. It's gonna rain too. The thunderstorm and all. Thunderstorm. Why are you going in circle? But yeah, uh-oh. Y'all caught it? Alright, I'll see you guys shortly. Guys, update. It's raining terribly bad. This guy doesn't even have his headlight on. Oh no, he does have headlight, but no tail light. And people are literally turning on their emergency flasher because, and this man is all the way to the left. It's so hard to see. Sometimes I'm about that camera when I can see everything.
Right. I know it's always like that.
But trust me, it's way worse. Like I always say, how it's always more beautiful than it is in person. This is definitely way worse than what you're seeing right now. But let's pray that we can make it home without breaking a couple legs. I want to show you guys the other side because it's weird. Everyone's sitting here waiting for the fireworks. It's like still 2 hours left. Guys, it's about time. The pink sky looking pretty. I can't speak. But tell me this isn't so cute. What do I do? And we're going back to our seat to sit down. And the firework is gonna start any minute. And then we'll go home after. Welcome back. Right now I just finished work. I still have some last minute things to do that I'm gonna do after I get back home. But we're going to city center city basically. We have some work to do and then I'm gonna walk around because he always goes. He sends me a picture and I'm like, it's so pretty. But I've been trying to go for like last 20 years, but we don't get time to go, or like it just doesn't work out. After that, we're gonna go to my favorite biryani spot to eat biryani today. Hopefully, maybe he'll take me, and then possibly boba at night again. And then we're gonna go home, get some sleep. Work has been crazy, like literal crazy. Anyway, so let's go. Let's get started. This is my outfit check. We're going up the elevator. Right at my ground street level. Ooh, pretty. This is pretty much giving me our center city vibe, except a little less ghetto. Guys, happy wife, happy life. Thanks.
Happy wife.
Sad husband.
No, happy wife.
Guys, there's like 10 of us. Ta-da.
More than 10.
Oh. I don't even know. This is so fun. And then actually really fun. And since we got out, we think everything is what?
Illusion.
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 Like, we were in the elevator and he was like, so do I go up or not? Like, is it real or not? And then this was like, so this one is not pretty big. Like the one we have in DC is way bigger and there are more things to do. Let me tell you, he couldn't even walk that little circle-y thing. And like,
Excuse me, actually, did you even do
after going in,
You had
he's
your
like,
eyes
my
closed.
eyes hurts, like, and he wanted something bigger than this. I have to like literally post that video I took in my phone. He's like walking, he's like, anyway, we're going to go get food. We're gonna go get food and then we're gonna go somewhere and sit and eat outside. So stay tuned. Alright guys, 20 hours later we got out. Oh, never mind. I'm trying to see myself in that mirror. Uh-oh, never mind. You're out in right there. So if y'all are wondering, this is my look for the day. Right now we're going to his house to get rent from the people, and then we're gonna come back and just relax and call it a day. Guys, I literally fell asleep again. We just got home. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go home, wash my face, freshen up, and then call it a night. Oh my gosh, it is. Like, I literally fell asleep as I was driving back home and the window was down. But anyway, so I will see you guys again next week with another vlog. Until then, take care. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment below and let me know what kind of video you guys want to watch next. Bye!